Hello everyone, I am going to be sharing with you the progress process video of this card that I made. It is going to have a sentiment inside that says, I miss you, and it came from the Pink and Main stamp set. This is called Treasure Box Designs Sweet Pear. It just says missing you, excuse me. There are some other sentiments. So glad you're in my life. Just a couple of lovebirds, and we make a sweet pair. This is going to go on the inside of the card. Matter of fact, let's just do that real quick. The adorable finished card. Stamp happy, be a blessing. If you'd like to be and you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share my videos on your social media.